All right, Chevy Impala 2004. Got custom front grille. I like that. You know, they should have done that on these. That looks pretty good on. You notice that? I like that. It's different. Anyways, got factory converter. Then what we did, we took the resonator off and replaced it with a Netami Performance Products. Right there. Part number NT22512BK. There will be a link in the description for it, guys, right there. Nice, clean Netami resonator. Factory pipe continues. Then we did a rear muffler delete with a dump because of the ground effects that they added on the back, too. Check it out. What do you guys think of the ground effects? Let us know in the comments. It's a really clean car. He's getting rims next, and he's going to wrap it in matte black. That's going to look really nice once it's all done. Anyways, there's the resonator right there that was on it. We took off. Look how long this thing is. It's huge. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Crackle or no? Yeah. That's when it cuts the air off when he takes his foot off. Oh, it's got a wing on it too. That's cool. Hear sound? That's cool. It's got a nice bob to it. Again? .3800 series. You look clean on it. Chevy Impala. Especially with the matte look. Yeah, it looks good. He's gonna wrap it. He's gonna look clean once it's done. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's got a custom hood too. That's clean, guys. Look at that. I like it. It's tastefully done. It's not overly done. Just clean. Chevy Impala V6 3800.